This is how to edit a presentation in Gamma AI. From your dashboard, select a presentation, for instance this one. Then if you want to edit a text, so just click a text, highlight it. You can make it bold, italic, or underline. You can also adjust the heading as well as the font size. You can use the menus on the left for layout and styles. So you can add images and other visuals like graphs and videos. And if you want to reorder the slides, for instance, this first slide right here, so just click one and drag them to whatever order you want to put it. So for instance, third. So this is how to edit a presentation in Gamma AI.